to do a quick pack with me. Bag babes, this is a quick traveling and I used 2 cubes and a weekender, so hopefully you found this super helpful. Trying to do a quick video here for you guys before I leave for Texas. All right, here we go. In 30 minutes, so I'm all packed. Fit like 6-7 outfits in these two. When we get back home, I will do an unpacking with me because that was kind of quick. And if you saw something cool, great. And I want you to figure out how to use some of these awesome cubes and other accessories and fun traveling stuff. As you know, 31 is awesome for. So I'll see you back in California. And I'm back, babe. Okay, I know y'all just watched me pack my bags, and I wanted to give you a breakdown on how I travel with 31. Now, when I record this video, as y'all can see, I am safely home. I got home late last night. I did a video. If you're missing that video, I'm looking it up here. And I purposely didn't unpack so I can make this video for you ladies, just for y'all who are curious to see how I packed. Okay, so first and foremost, I had a personal item and a carry-on, which is this awesome, lovely bag. Y'all know. I will link that video up above too if you want to check out that bag. It's a weekender bag. I'm going to link all these products down below with a link to take you directly to the product, just in case you want to see what they are and check them out up close. Granted, they may be coming in different colors and prints, and I will also let you know if those items are available or not down in the description below. Okay, ladies, here we go. First and foremost, my carry-on is a Cindy tote. Classic tote. I had a little key fob here, the photo key fob, which is totally on sale. In here, oh my goodness, a ton of stuff. Actually, let me tilt you ladies down. All right, here is an overview of what I have in my bag. Okay, first and foremost, it's a big fold-in file from 31. This is only available for consultants, but the Hello Happy for January is actually similar to this. You get a big zipper pouch, and then you get these cute folders. Actually, this is the Hello Happy, and it has a multi-folder plastic envelope in here. I kept all my summit information meeting in here, my planner, basically any paperwork. That's what I have in here. All right, that was on the back side. I had my bag of toilet liquids that comes out. On each side of the tote, I had my one tripod and one gimbal. Okay. Get creative. See-through pouch. I had my like toiletries that I needed access to while on the plane. So napkins, wipes, band-aids, lip gloss in here. My lip gloss, some vitamin C that I had, and anything that I had needed access to. Some makeup if I needed to touch up on anything that was in here, which I totally loved. I had this is my personal purse. This is the convertible bag, which I totally customized. And in here I kept my phone. It has 3 slots here for your cell phone, and I put my lipstick here and some cash. So the essentials for traveling light in here. Next, well, this is like my information. I had a iPad that's in here, and this was just a keyboard. And lastly, this is one of those zipper pouches that I was pretty much my electronic station. Okay, guys, I packed this super fast last night, so it might be a little messy. But when you open this, it has a pocket here, which I put my supercharger pack, power pack. You flip it over, and I kept the small stuff in here. So I have my AirPods. I have a small cord that charged my gimbal here, and then I have my 2 chargers for iPhones or my iPod, just regular. I have my earphones in here just in case someone else needed an earphone. I wanted to use an earphone, and then I have my iPhone watch charger in here. So this was like my electronic charging station. And then lastly, in the pocket back here, I kept a little snack pack, and these obviously had all my snacks, and it kind of did a double with all my business receipts in here too. So that is what's on my carry-on. So let's get to my actual weekender bag, okay? Ladies, I packed 7 outfits in this, okay? 7. Now this print is not available, but the product is. So let's go ahead and unpack with me. In here, I brought an extra tote. These are customizable both. You guys know this is one of my favorite bags. I wanted to bring an extra bag just in case I needed to bring more stuff home. So this is our current statement bag, and I put that, it folds nicely and it fit right in the front. Also in here, this is a baubles and bracelet. When you open up, this is mainly all my jewelry. So my necklaces, it comes with these organza pouches. You can use these flaps for earrings and bracelets, but I pretty much piled it in here. As y'all know, as y'all saw, I had like 30 minutes to pack. I did it in 30 minutes, all right? So that's the baubles and bracelet. I'm gonna try and put all these here, over here. Nothing else in the print. Oh, and I did my brush, my small comb brush. All right, so let's get to the big one. Let's open this. I love this, guys. You guys know this is one of my favorite. This is a family fold-in file. As you saw, you can totally hook this onto one of those towel racks. You open it up and it unfolds. So in here, I kind of have like my makeup and hygiene. So this is kind of like all my facial, it's all mixed up as you can see. So makeup, facials, these are like my lipsticks, makeup, eyelashes, toothpaste. This is more makeup and other stuff. You can fit a ton of these things, and there's tons of ways to use this. So again, this is the family fold-in file. Whenever this thing's out, I like to grab a few. One of my top favorite traveling. And I also recycle 31 plastic bags. So this is 1 pair of shoes. There's 2 pairs of shoes in here. And this is the amazing part. I used 2 of the packing cubes to do in here. So this is the large one and this is the medium one. So if you pull them out, here's the large one. I use kind of the roll-up system in here. Usually I'll pack by outfits, but considering I was in a rush, I kind of just put everything in here. So so when I first packed in the beginning, I had like three outfits in here. So these are pajamas. This is one outfit. This is a second outfit. This is a sweater, my blazer. This is a jumpsuit, and then yeah, so I got 2 leggings, actually 3 leggings, 1 top, a sweater, a blazer, and a jumpsuit. Actually 4 leggings. Oh no, this is my 31 t-shirt. So if you use a roll-up system, it's really, well, it's not pretty right now, but I use a roll-up system, and if you tuck it in here, it rolls up really nice. This is the large cube. Oops. Which is one of the Hostess exclusives. All right, that's 1 cube. On the side over here, I did bring my wave curler, so that fit nicely on the side, so that was also in here too. Here is the medium, which fit a ton. So I had, this is 2 blazers. Actually, this is my leather jacket and my 2 blazers. This is another large jacket, which you roll up, and a belt. So I could have probably fit something else in here, like, for instance, if you roll this up, and that would have fit nicely in there too. All right, so that's the medium. A key to the fold-up system, you want to make sure that when you fold things up, let me unfold this for you, that everything is flat. So make sure things are zipped up. All these are zipped up. And I kind of, when I do sweaters, I kind of folded them in half and 3/4. If you can, if not, halves is okay. For big sweaters like this, I guess half is okay. And then you want to like section them out in a roll so that the smaller the better, but so that it fits nicely in there. So that's kind of how I do my system, the rolling system. That's my system, just to let you know. I know there are better systems out there, so let me know in the comments if that's a system that you use. So I'm gonna put that out here. And then lastly, at the bottom, this one came in a Hostess exclusive. It's a mini cube, and this has my intimates in here, so I'm not gonna open it. And then lastly, I have my last pair of shoes, which I totally lay flat in a 31 bag. Okay, so all that in here. All right, ladies, so you totally unpacked with me. I'm gonna link all the items, 31 items that I used for this weekend trip to Summit. I had 3 pairs of shoes, and I brought 7 outfits. I did the same outfit for my airport. I had 1 airport outfit, just to be honest. What I wore over there, I wore on the way home. So those usually are your bulkiest shoes. So I wore my bulky tennis shoes on the way out there. So if you're counting, that's kind of like my 7th outfit, if you include my pajamas as well. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And let me know in the comments any of your traveling tips or hacks. I have 2 more trips coming up this year, so any traveling tips or hacks totally help. Again, all the items are in the description below. Make sure you subscribe, check out my latest video. Here is this month's special, and check out this playlist down here, right here. You want it. Bag Babe TV. Thanks, ladies, for unpacking with me. Now I gotta clean up this mess.